students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of English, and in our last video we have discussed about the chapter number 8, that is action word, and in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of this chapter, that is action words. So student, now come on the exercises. Fill in the blanks with action word from the box. So student, in this exercises you have to fill all the blank space from this hint box. This is the hint box from where you have to fill all the blank space. Now come on first. My dash in the park every morning. So student, you have to choose the action word from this hint box. So runs. So you have to fill runs at this blank space, and runs is already filled. Now come on second. Nina does the vegetable for lunch. So student, here which action word you have to choose from this inbox. Now look at the full box. You have to choose chops. So you have to fill chop at this blank space. Here chop is already filled. Now come on third. Birds dash in the sky. Which action word you have to fill? You have to fill fly. So you have to select fly from this hint box and fill at this blank space. Now come on fourth. Fish dash near the waterfall. So which action word you have to fill at this blank space? Swim. Student, you have to select swim from this inbox and fill at this blank space. Now come on fifth. The cake dash delicious. So student, here which action word you have to fill at this blank space? You have to select taste from this inbox and fill at this blank space. Now come on 6. Anu dash a car. So student, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Drives. At this blank space you have to select drive, and you have to fill drive at this 6 number and at this blank space. Now come on 7. I dash to school every day. So student, which action word you have to fill from this inbox? Walk. First of all, you have to select walk from this inbox and fill at this blank space. Now come on 8. The girls dash tired. So which action word is suitable at this blank space? Look. So you have to select look from this hint box and fill at this blank space. Here look is already filled. Now come on 9. A giraffe dash leaves from the tree. Which action word you have to select? You have to select eats and fill at this blank space. Here eats is already filled. Now come on 10 number. The rabbit dash through the field. So which action word is suitable at this blank space? Hops. So you have to select hops from this inbox and write hops at this blank space. Here hops is already filled. The student, now come on second exercise. Choose the correct option. So student, in this exercises you have to choose the correct option from these two options. Now come on, first number. Kabir dash in a factory. Student, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Here you have to fill works, because Kabir is a singular person, and for singular person you have to use works. You have to, from with singular person, you have to add s or es to the action word here. So you have to select works. You have to select works and fill at this blank space. Here works is already filled. Now come on second, you dash good English. So student, which action word you have to feel and which is correct, speak or speaks? With you, we do not add s or es to the action word. So student, the correct option is speak. So you have to select space. Yes, you have to select speak and write speak at this blank space. Now come on third number, voice dash noise. So student, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Make or makes? Here, voice. It means there is more than one voice. So there's talking about more than one word, so we do not add s or es to the action word. So we have to feel make, m-a-k-e, make, and write make at this blank space. Here make is already filled. Now come on fourth number, I dash milk chocolate. So student, which action word is correct and which action word is suitable at this blank space? Hate or hates? So student, first of all, I am going to explain about with I. With I, we do not add s or es to the action word. So you have to select hate, only hate, not hates, and write a hate at this blank space. Now come on fifth number, the snail dash on the leaf. Student, here snail, there is only one snail, so you have to add s or es to the action word. So here you have to select travels and write travels at this blank space. Now come on sixth number, the sun dash in the east. So student, here there is only one sun, so you have to add s or es to the action word. So you have to select rises from this option and write rises at this blank space. Now come on 7. Paper boats on water. So student, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Float or floats? I think there is a more than one boat. So when we talk about more than one person, that we do not add s or es to the action word. So student, here float is the correct option and you have to feel float at this blank space. Here float is already written. Now come on 8. We dash our hand before eating food. So student, which action word is correct at this blank space? Wash or washes? So student, first of all, I want to explain about with you. With we do not add s or es to the action word. So student, here wash is the correct option and you have to feel wash at this blank space, and here wash is already filled. Now come on next exercise. Fill in the blanks. Use the right form of the action word in the brackets. One has been done for you. Bats dash during the day. So student, here bats. There is a talking about more than one bat. So with plural we do not add s or es to the action word. So student, here sleeps, and in sleep we do not add s or es. So there is a here you have to write only sleep, sleep. Now come on second, the man dash the bike. Here the man. So student, there's talking about the man. So you have to feel rights, rides, rights, because there is talking about the only one person, there's talking about only one man. So you have to add s or es to the action word rights. Now come on third, the gardener dash the plants. So student, here the gardener, there is talking about the only one gardener. So we add s or es to the action word. So student, here you have to feel waters, waters, waters. In water you have to add s. Now come on fourth, I dash softly. So student, here with I, we do not add S or ES to the action word. So you have to feel only talk, not talks. Now on fifth, girls dash at his joke. Here they are talking about more than one girl. So with plural person, plural things or plural person, we do not add as S or ES to the action word. So student, here you have to write only laugh, not laughs. Not now come on six. Joe and Jane dash to play the guitar. So student, here there is a two person, Joe and Jane. They're talking about two person. So you have so we do not add S or yes to the action word. So student, here you have to write only learn, not learns. Now come on next page. The student, now come on next page. That is 7 number. Sonali does some tea. Here there is talking about only one girl whose name is Sonali. So when we talk about only one person, that we add S or ES to the action word. So student, here you have to write wants. You have to write wants. You have to add in want S. Now come on 8. The gold ring does 100 rupees. So student, here they is talking about only one gold ring. So you have to add S to the cost. Costs. Now come on B. Fill in the blanks using action word from the box. So student, in this exercises you have to fill all the blank space. You have to fill all the blank space from this hint box. This is the hint box from where you have to fill all the blank space. Now come on first. Mr. Bose dash us English. Here they are talking about only one person whose name is Mr. Bose. So you have to add S or ES to the action word and you have to select teaches and write teaches at this blank space. Here teaches is already written. Now come on second. They dash into laughter. Which action word is suitable at this blank space? Brush. So you have to select brush from this inbox and write brush at this blank space. Here brush is already written. Now come on third. The hawker dash carpets. So student, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Sells. So you have to write sales at this blank space. Now come on fourth. The books dash to her. And which action word is suitable at this blank space? Belong. So you have to write belong at this blank space. Now come on fifth number. The shops dash at 9 p.m. The shop, which action word is suitable at this blank space? Close. So you have to select close from this inbox and write close at this blank space. Now come on sixth number. The boy dash on the bridge. Which action word is suitable at this blank space? Stands. So you have to select stand from this inbox and write a stand at this blank space. Now come on 7. Rohan dash a letter to his grandmother. So student, here which action word is suitable and which action word you have to fill at this blank space? Writes. Here you have to write writes because there is talking about only one person whose name is Rohan. So when we talk about only one person, then we add S or ES to the action word. So student, here we add S to the action word, that is writes. WRITES, writes. Now come on 8. My brother dash his shoelace on his own. So student, here which action word is suitable at this blank space? Ties. TIES, ties. So you have to fill ties and you have to select tie from this inbox and write ties at this blank space. And here ties is already written. The student, I hope you all are understand about this exercises and you have to write all these exercises in your SW copy. This is your today's homework. Thank you.